Do you work in the animation or film industry and want to work with USD? With Shift, you can build workflows to load your Maya rig as a variant inside your USD stage. You can work on your animation and export it as a lightweight geocache layer, ready for your colleagues or supervisors to use it in other DCCs. Let's start by building the USD stage starting from single assets. Let's create the character prim and add our lookdev layer. We can now load the Maya character rig for layout and animation as a USD variance in Maya. Shift can use custom Maya reference prims to embed Maya rigs inside the USD stage. Now we can seamlessly switch between our geo and rigs, all within the same USD stage. Let's use Shift to load an atom animation on our character and then modify it. We will now export the new animation as a USD geocache for all our LODs. Shift will take care of exporting all the selected keyframes for each of the target animated geometries. Shift can now compose the animated geometries into a new layer that we can load with a higher opinion and override the static ones. With Shift, you can build procedural workflows and leverage USD to customize your production pipelines. Keep using the software you prefer and use Shift to integrate your work into the studio pipeline with no effort. Whether you are a big or a small studio, Shift can help you build an all-round pipeline. Follow us to know more about how Shift can help you and your team.